Hello friends, I am Dr. Sharad Binnor, working as Professor and Head Department of English, KTHM College, Nashik. I am happy to present before you the profile of the Department of English in this student induction program. The Department of English was established in 1969. It has been one of the prominent departments of the college since its inception. Initially, UG program was started in 1969. With the increasing demands of students to start PG in English, postgraduate program in English was started in 1991. After globalization, there was demand for vocational courses, so we started one vocational course in functional English under UGC scheme in 1995. We got huge response to this course as it is based on practical use of English language. In 2011, the Department of English was recognized as research center by Savitribai Phule Pune University Pune, and we started PhD program in English. Then in 2014, MPhil program in English was introduced to boost research in English. So the department rests on a strong academic foundation blended with a modern approach that seeks to mold young men and women into successful role models. The department offers many courses such as BA program in English, MA program, MPhil program, PhD in English and Functional English, which is a self-funded course. With the increasing demands for foreign languages, the department has started certificate courses in 3 foreign languages: Japanese, French and German. Mrs. Sancheti Reena looks after the foreign language section of the department. The Department of English also runs certificate course in English called Strengthening Proficiency in English to improve the communication skills of our students. We are getting good response for these certificate courses. You can enroll for these courses while pursuing your UG and PG degree. There are 10 faculty members in the department. I am Dr. Sharad Binnor, working as Head Department of English. There are some senior faculty members like Dr. Yogesh Gangorde, Dr. Tushar Patil and Dr. Bharti Rajavosle in the department. With a team of dedicated faculty members, the Department of English continues to explore new avenues in its pursuit of excellence. There are many facilities in the department. We have a full-fledged English language lab which was instituted to improve language skills of our students. The teaching learning environment is enhanced by the use of ICT in teaching learning process, and efforts are taken to ensure that the learning process is innovative and progressive, giving due importance to problem-based learning. So we have well-equipped seminar hall with audio-visual facilities such as TV, LCD projector, Sony home theater, sound recording system, internet, etc. There is a departmental library facility having more than 200 books. For the holistic development of the students, focus is always given on peer learning, remedial classes, mentoring, value education, and student-centric participatory learning. The success of the students and the department is constituted on the basis of healthy and productive teacher-student relationship. The department has produced stalwarts in numerous fields such as writers, editors, government officers, advocates, etc. There are many university rank holders in the department. English language, as you know, offers many opportunities. If you want to pursue BA in English, you have to take optional English as one of the subjects at FY/BA level. So please choose optional English and become part of this successful journey. If you want to learn practical use of English language, then take functional English. Placement for functional English is quite encouraging. So take functional English and get good career. So I look forward to welcome you and ask you to join us as member of the department and enrich your career. Thank you very much.